The people, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you're gonna see how to schedule Instagram Reels. So to do that, let's head over to your Instagram. Make sure you have logged into your desired account and then head over to the profile. Make sure your account is professional account. Now you have to go to the three lines on the top, or you can just try to post something. So I'm gonna post. I'm selecting a picture from here. Let's say this picture. Tap on next and then tap on next. You can add anything you want. And in here, just scroll down and go to more options. You will find it in the bottom. And here you'll find the option of schedule this post. Branded content features and product tags can be used in this schedule content. So here schedule this post for posting. So let's say it will be posted on 30 and 2 of August, but at 6 p.m. So tap on done, and now you have to just go back and just tap on schedule and it will be posted. So yeah, this is how you can just use or schedule your Instagram Reels or posts. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.